Hey everyone, welcome to another video and thank you for tuning in. I am so excited. I got the call this morning and we are going to pick up the Tesla. Oh, it's been a long time. It feels like it's been forever. I gotta tell you, I have really missed that car. But yeah, it seems like they've had it for, I don't know, it feels like a year, but I know it's only been a little over 3 weeks, but it is time to go pick up the car. I'm so excited. Woo! All right. Hopefully it all went well. Anyway, so let's go get the car. All right, it's like deja vu. We are back at the collision center, and today the car is actually supposed to be ready, so I think I see it peeking out around the corner over there. So we will go talk to them and find out and see how this all went. All right, guys, well, it is back. The hood is looking good. There's kind of a little rise right there, but it's back. So yeah, looks good. I'm just happy to have the car back. New windshield, new everything, so everything else looks pretty good. All right, guys, it is so nice to be back in this car and driving again. Oh, I can't tell you. Well, everything looks to be right on point. I'll show you a couple things that I do want to let them know about. The clips for the tray at the very top where the windshield wiper is, it looks like one of the clips had broke before and they didn't replace it. It could be on both sides, but I noticed for sure the one side wasn't replaced. So I'm going to get with them about that. Unfortunately, I have to have the car today. I'm on the way out of town, and so I really, my schedule just won't let me leave it with them. But overall, it looks really good. I'm happy. I'm just happy to have the car back. This is so fantastic. Yeah, so whew, it has been a little bit of a journey to get this thing back. I can't believe how comfortable this car is. I forgot, you know, to be honest with you, I ended up driving so many other things for a while that were much stiffer. Don't get me wrong, this isn't, I'm not saying that this rides like a Bentley or a Rolls Royce or anything, but I'm saying that it rides much smoother and more comfortable than the M4 and the Roadster and stuff. So, but yeah, it's nice to have it back. This is great. Woo! I'm sorry, I'm just looking around trying to see if I missed any other little details of it. There was an interesting thing that happened as far as payment goes. I ended up paying an additional $273 because of the labor difference. I guess what Advance charges for their labor versus what State Farm is willing to pay is actually, there's a difference in that, and so it ended up being a few dollars out of my pocket. I'm going to get with State Farm and find out if there's anything that they can do about that. Oh, let me put on my cap, because now I'll feel more at home. All right, well, that's better. Now I look more like myself. Another interesting thing is that I would have gotten the car back a day, maybe a day and a half earlier, except the collision center or the auto body shop told me that they had to take it back to Tesla so that Tesla could put the windshield in. So I don't know if that's for everyone, but at least here, if you need a new windshield, the auto body shop's not going to do it. Tesla actually has to do that for them. And then they brought the car back to the body shop and had them finish up all the little stuff. So yeah, so that costs an extra day and time. So just know that that's going to be a situation for you guys too, possibly, especially here in Florida, from what I understand. Okay, everyone, let's take a look at Tesla Mirror. So the first thing, you download the app, obviously either iOS or Android. Let's open it up, and you got to make sure that the Tesla proxy is on, which it is. And then at this point, it says make sure devices, same network, You got to turn on your hotspot. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. I got the hotspot turned on, and we'll go to here. Make sure that's good. So now we're back to this. You have your hotspot on, and we will go to the web browser. So you go to your web browser, and you want to type in their address here. So let me do that real quick. And there it is. So now we will hit start broadcasting. And let's see what happens here. Oh, it's counting down. 3, 2, 1, and it should be broadcasting. All right. So there you have it. It is up and running. Let's see if it changes. Yep. So everything on the phone is on the screen. So let's try this. Let's go to YouTube. And let's see if we can get to somebody. See how
dollars at this point.
Woo,
the way it's
loud.
built. But if I break it here in a second,
okay,
which has been my luck here lately, I've been breaking everything.
Let's turn it to the side.
Let me see.
Well, there you go. So you can watch videos, which I do not recommend while you're driving. Do not watch videos while you're driving. That's bad. All bad.
Real well when I was doing the front opening.
But that looks pretty good. So let's zoom this. So yeah. So, okay. Works pretty good. Again, this app did not have a high rating, but it was, as you can see, pretty easy to set up. The main thing is remember to turn on your personal hotspot. All right, let's change this back. All right, well, let's open up Waze now. So I think this might be somewhere where it's going to be very helpful for you. You know, is that if you can have your navigation stuff up on the screen, like Waze or your favorite app that you can't get from, you know, that you can't that you want to have on Apple CarPlay, but it's not available yet. So, all right, well, not bad. This is kind of cool. But again, unfortunately, I guess this is great for the passenger. You can watch stuff while you're driving, but definitely not good for the driver. So remember that. Don't watch videos when you're driving. This app again was $5.99, and again, really poor rating, but so far this doesn't look too bad. It seems pretty quick, and you can play stuff through the speakers on your car. So, okay. Well, you know what? I'll probably try to use this for the next few weeks while I'm traveling, you know, doing stuff, and see how useful it is. You know, I don't know if it's for everybody, but I don't know. It's kind of neat, you know. And like I said, if you're going to travel a lot and you got a passenger that just gets really bored, instead of them being on their phone, they can actually use it here. So, well, there you have it, guys. Is it for everyone? No. Is it easy to set up? Yep. For $5.99, I guess for apps, that's a little expensive, but I don't know. It might really work out well for some people, though. So that's pretty cool. Well, guys, there you go. Again, I'm just happy to be back in this car. I'm glad everything got fixed and we can move forward. The Tesla mirror, I don't know if it's for everybody, but it might come in handy. So again, $5.99, depending on, you know, if you need it or not. But I'm going to try it out for a couple months and I'll see if it comes in handy or if I just really never use it again. I think it would be beneficial for passengers if you're traveling a long way, because then they can just look straight ahead and watch stuff. But that's kind of a bad thing because you don't want the driver to be distracted. So just keep that in mind. But overall, yeah, it's kind of cool, you know, but I'm just glad to be back in a Model Y. So I'm happy, as you can see. I can't say it enough. I've missed this car. But now we can go forward and move on and see what other things are going to happen to this thing. Also, like I said earlier, there is maybe some good that came out of this. And I'll share that information with you on the next video, so please come back for that one. And as always, go to your car meets, have fun with your mods, and enjoy what you have, guys. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, it's good to be back in this thing.